I made this slime, and it is 542 dab on them. And I made this slime today, and I just want to prove to you that I made this slime. Okay, so I'm going to be telling what you need, and comment down below if you want me to make it and buy scrap. And yeah, so I'll be right back. Never mind, I'll stay right here because I have it right here. But it's gonna float. Okay, but anyway, so you're gonna need Gain or any laundry detergent. Has to be liquid laundry detergent. Has to be liquid. It has to be liquid laundry detergent, and you need glue. No matter what kind, you can use almonds, but you can't use glue stick because it won't work. And yeah, so thanks for watching this video. Bye.